Welcome back to Average Beau. Gonna be installing a new mechanical fuel pump on my 1981 F-150. It's a 306 cylinder, and we're gonna get that video started. I haven't made a video in a long time. I wish I would have done a lot more on this truck. I've rebuilt it from ground up, but as of now, I've had to switch the fuel tanks, but I think the fuel pump got clogged up from all the junk from the old one. So I'm going to change that and see if we can get it back running. Here's the old fuel pump. As you can see, there's 2 bolts. We got to take off this fuel line, take off this clamp, and should come right off there. Shouldn't be a problem at all. Okay, back to the fuel pump. We got rained out a couple days, so we're just now getting back to it. The first thing I'm gonna do, this is 1/2 inch. Break that bad boy. Probably get a little fuel. Nope, no fuel. So, okay, and then we'll take off this hose from the tank. It's a one-way. Get all this stuff out of the way. No fuel. Okay, gonna get the 2 bolts off the block. They're 1/2 inch. I've already loosened them. This is my first time ever doing this too, so I'll probably do something wrong or something that you'd do different. But I'm learning, and me and my son's built this whole truck. So let's get to it. I'll get this off and then we'll get the other one ready to go. Okay, we got the fuel pump here. As you can see, I don't got like a big $10,000 tool chest. Got this little Craftsman set. It was on sale for $99, and I mean, I've used it to build this truck. Now we got the gasket back on, tightening up the last bolt. Don't want to over tighten it. Now we'll go through the reverse process, putting the hose back on. Tighten that back up. Then we'll take our 1/2 inch and put the fuel line to the car back on. All right, she's running good. We put the fuel pump on, a little bit of starter fluid. She fired right up. Got gas in the filter. She's running good.